If you've ever been tasked with opening up one of these sewer IOs, you know that can be hit and miss. Some of them are buried deeper in the ground and you can't get your hands on to turn around. Luckily this one here is at a good working height, but even so, it's still tight. Whether it be the sun after all these years or it's got some grit in there, it's tight and you just can't get your hands on there to undo it. But luckily there is a tool that can help us out. I'm James Horton from Westscan and I'm going to show you that tool. This here, nice little clamping tool, sewer IO spinner. Whack the tool on, grips on there nicely, perfectly fits. Now, like I mentioned before, normally if it's in the ground and it's deep in the ground, what we'd do, we'd use an extension handle on a 1/2 inch socket drive and we'd put it on, and that would get us above the ground and a nice height to be able to turn it. But this one being luckily outside above the building, we can just go straight on, and then spinning that around with the socket, we're able to get turn it and take our sewer lid off, our sewer inspection cap off. So great clamp, very handy. Thankfully, little sewer IO spinner, and yeah, there we go. But before, trying to get your hands in there, especially in the ground, to do that, so hard. Thanks for watching.